Hi there, I just came down to the river to do an evening practice that I'm going to film as well. Just let me give you a quick view on the weather and the river today. It was quite windy, quite stormy earlier on, but now it seems to be very calm, very peaceful. Idea for the evening practice to unwind and let go. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna guide you through a Qigong routine to help you relax and unwind before bed. I like to do this routine in the evening, maybe an hour before bed, to calm my breathing, to recenter and just generally kind of relax and let go. Let's begin. Begin in a standing position and soften your whole body. Let your joints soften, let your muscles relax. And then we're gonna start with nice big breath in and easy long exhale down. We do a few of those to settle in and relax. Inhale as you softly go up. Exhale down. One more time. Go up. Exhale, softening and settling in. Very good. Interlace your fingers. Slowly raise up. Look up. Make sure your shoulders are lifted. You're reaching up. Then release. Slowly turn to the left. Keep your knees slightly bent and your lower back nice and relaxed. Slowly roll to the other side. Roll back to the left. And here, straighten your knees and reach up a little bit higher. Then soften, relax your shoulders, bend your knees, roll to the other side. Nice breath in, lengthen through the whole body, reach up, soften, feel your muscle relaxing, roll to the left. One more time, lengthen upward, soften, let relax. Then roll back to center. And let your arms just relax by the side. Feel that relaxation spreading down your neck, into your shoulders, down your arms, feeling your fingertips. Very good. Next, gentle hip rotation to open up the hips, soften the muscles. And let go of any tension if you hold any there. Go as slow as you can here to feel and notice any sensations. Every movement of the muscle just loosening up, creating space and awareness in the hip area. Then pause and roll in the opposite direction. Very good. Come back. Last one here. Slowly return to center. And again, soften your knees. Relax your hips. Then slowly raise your hands all the way. Then turn so your pinky fingers are pointing at each other. And we're gonna take a nice full breath in. And then on the exhale, just drop everything down. Soften, sink down through your feet. Then press off the ground. Slowly raise up. Your eyes follow your hands. Go up. And then exhale, soften down. Like a stream of water, the waterfall that just flows down. Effortlessly releasing all the tension just down into the ground. Inhale, open the chest. Reach up. Exhale, soften. Inhale. Exhale, make sure your neck and shoulders all nice and relaxed. Go up. And exhale. One more time. Go up. And this time, exhale, slightly bend your knees and lower your hands in front of your body. Then turn one palm down, another one kind of parallel, and we're gonna move and turn to the back. Then, as if your hands are pushing against the current, roll to the other side. Go very slowly. You can almost feel the air passing through your fingers. Feel a little resistance as you turn. Keep your knees slightly bent. And feel a gentle twist in your abdomen and your lower back. You can maybe even close your eyes here. And deepen the movement, just simply go with the flow. Slow down and breathe. Inhale then to the other side. Exhale, push back. Inhale again. And exhale. One more time. Turn. Inhale. Slowly come back to center. Round your hands in front of your abdomen. Sink down through your feet. Soften your pelvis. Nice long spine. And here we're going to drop one hand and go into the cloud wave, hands waving cloud. They have many names. So one hand swipes outside your lower abdomen. Another one just passes by your face. Relax the upper back. And let your upper body settle comfortably over your legs. Soften your lower back. And sink in through your feet. Feel connected and grounded every time you shift the weight from one leg and then shift the weight back to the other. You can keep your eyes closed if you like to do it as a moving meditation. Or you can focus your mind in the center of the palm. As your hand passes the face, turn and send it away. Keep your breath very calm and slow. It matches the movement as you turn to one side, breathe in. Then as you roll to the other, breathe out. Very good. And as you finish the movement, let your hands just round in front of your chest. Relax your shoulders down, bend your knees. Sink down through your feet and your tailbone. Relax. Feel the power in your legs, feel connected and grounded through your feet. Same time, feel the softness and suppleness in your upper body. Let all the tension simply drain away down your back, into your legs and down into the earth. Relax and soften your arms. And then slowly we're going to open and inhale. Nice full breath in. And exhale down. Like a water, let it flow down your entire body. Releasing and relaxing. Let all the tension and stiffness from your neck and shoulders just simply drain away down your back into the ground. Let all the stress and anxiety from the head to also flow down your body and melt away into the ground. So every time you inhale, gather the calming and soothing energy around you. Every time you exhale, send it down through your body, relaxing and softening. One more time. Inhale. And exhale down. Then bring your hands on the lower dantian, the energy center or the area for our health and vitality. Bring your mind and focus right to your belly. And then bring your feet together. And relax the whole body. Let your arms relax. Like your whole body soften. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoy this routine. I hope you feel a little calmer, a little more relaxed to have a good, restful night sleep. See you next time.